Hello, I'm Debbie Robinson, and I'd like to invite you to join me in my free live yoga classes. Each week I host them on YouTube Live. I also offer private sessions and small group classes. I put together workshops and online programs for specific issues like low back health or safe yoga for osteoporosis. If you live in an aging or injured body, if you have issues in your tissues, if you deal with chronic stress or pain, I'd like to share the wisdom in this vast healing practice of yoga. Yoga is a total mind-body practice to liberate us from suffering. Join me to age gracefully through the tools and the wisdom of yoga.